Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kajabi payment settings for selling courses and memberships, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Kajabi payment settings, log in to your Kajabi dashboard. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on Payment Settings from the options presented. You will now see an overview of your current payment configuration. To integrate a payment gateway, look for the Payment Gateways section. Choose between Stripe, PayPal, or both, depending on your preference. If you select Stripe, click the Connect Stripe button. You will be directed to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and authorize Kajabi to access your account. Once connected, you will return to the Kajabi dashboard. If you're opting for PayPal, click the Connect PayPal button next. Log into your PayPal account and grant permission to Kajabi. After successful connection, you'll see both payment gateways listed in your settings. Next, navigate to the Products tab to set up your courses or memberships. Select the product for which you want to configure payment settings. Scroll down to the Pricing section of your product settings. Choose a one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan option. Input your desired price for the course or membership. If you selected a subscription model, define the billing cycle. Make sure to set your currency preferences as per your target audience. Once you have configured the pricing, click Save. Next, enable the checkout settings to customize your checkout process. Add any necessary fields you want to require from customers during checkout. You can also set up discount codes if desired. After finalizing your checkout settings, click Save Changes. Next, return to the Payment Settings tab to review your tax settings. If applicable, enable and set up any tax rates relevant to your location. Finally, double-check all settings for accuracy. Your payment settings are now configured for selling courses and memberships in Kajabi. This setup enables you to start accepting payments seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.